Welcome to Fit Thick with Purple 6. Thank you guys for tuning back in again. I know it's been a while once again since I brought you guys another video, but I'm back and I'm back for good, okay? So I just want to say thank you for the ones that have subscribed, the ones that's been commenting on my video, asking questions. Look, I am here to serve you all, okay? That's my ultimate goal. So please continue to do what you do, okay? And if you haven't already, be sure you become one of my Fit Thick chicks and subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button right down there. As everyone says, it's free. You have nothing to lose. And I mean, what's the worst that'll happen? You just get like a pop-up or two whenever I post a video, but that's it, okay? And the thing is, this is stuff that is going to benefit you. I mean, who doesn't want to lose weight? Who does not want to get in shape, okay? All right, yeah. So that's a good reason why you should subscribe, okay? All right, so enough of the small talk, guys, okay? So today's video is about your boobies, okay, guys? Your boobs. So I had someone ask me a question on how they can fix their asymmetrical breast. Now, if you don't know what asymmetrical means, that means that you have one breast that's smaller than the other. Now, I want to tell you guys this, okay? And do not get discouraged, please. Having one breast larger than the other is totally normal, guys. Like, it is not anything abnormal. It's not anything that it doesn't mean that you're alien, or it doesn't mean that you're weird. It's totally normal to have one breast larger than the other. Now, when one breast is larger than the other, normally it's not that drastic. You wouldn't really notice it, you know, unless, you know, you are out, woo, you know, show your breast and size them up, you know what I'm saying? It's not that noticeable for the most part. I mean, hey, I know I have one breast smaller than the other, and the reason why I know because I could tell based off of my nipple. Okay? Excuse me. But anyway, basically, it's totally normal, so do not get discouraged about that. But if you are one of the ones that absolutely hate it and you do not want one breast larger than the other, then I have 5 tips that would help you correct that problem, okay? And you know what? You might have people out here who actually has one breast is totally larger than the other one to the point where it's just noticeable. But the only thing you could do is truthfully get surgery. You can get a breast lift, you can get a breast reduction in one of the other breasts, or you can get a breast implant in the smaller breast. But that's truthfully the only way that you can seriously correct that problem, by having surgery. So what I'm going to do today is give you guys 5 tips, okay? So these are 5 tips that you could use in order to resolve the asymmetrical breast issue that you may have. And like I said, this may not be necessarily correcting it, but it can be a disguise for you. That way it could look better in your eyes and make you feel better, okay? So stay tuned for those 5 tips. Okay, guys, so here's the first tip, okay? The first tip is to simply give your breast a massage. Now, I know this sounds very bizarre. You're thinking like, massage? What you mean massage? Like, what you trying to do, turn me on? No, I'm not trying to be sexual. I'm not trying to, you know, turn nobody on. But it's just the truth. Like, if you massage your breast, you truthfully will help enlarge one of the other ones. Now, all you have to do, guys, is get your right and your left hand, rub them together. And you're going to rub them together until your hands start to feel warm. So you can feel the heat generating as you're warming your hands up. The next thing you're going to do, if you're going to massage your right breast, then you use your right hand. If you're going to massage your left breast, then you use your left hand. That's simple. So again, massage or rub your hands together till they get warm. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to simply just massage the breast in a circular motion. Now, you're going to massage both breasts. However, the smaller breast, you want to massage for a longer period of time because this is the one that you're wanting to increase. Now, a way to really stimulate growth and actually get the best results, guys, be sure you get you some sesame seed oil, rub that in your hands, and go to work with that massage, guys. Sesame seed oil is perfect because it actually promotes growth in the breast. The next one, guys, is very self-explanatory, and it's just simply exercising, okay? So we all know that you could exercise to increase, or better yet, give the appearance of larger breasts. Be sure you check out my latest video, by the way, which shows you some ways that you can increase your breast size. But guys, if you actually do these exercises, what they will do is make your breast perkier. It'll make your breast firmer. Therefore, it's going to give you the illusion of having equal sized breasts, just because they're both going to be sitting up, they're both going to be firm, and they're both going to be perky, opposed to your breasts being saggy and one is hanging lower than the other. Well, you get what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? But still, like, be sure you do those workouts because, like I said, it's going to make your breast perkier. It's going to sit out. That way, it will not look as bad or as drastic with you having, you know, those uneven breasts. And like I said, if you want to know what type of workouts to do, I will post a link down at the bottom of this video that you guys can follow. That way, you can do those workouts to help with getting those breasts perkier and a lot firmer. Okay, guys, so this next one may seem kind of weird. However, it has been proven to actually work. This next one is simply using hot and cold water on your boobs, guys. So, what do I mean using hot and cold water? Basically, what you're going to do, now, I would recommend doing this on the breast that's smaller. You're going to get some hot water and pour it over your breast. You do this for a whole minute, okay? And I know it's kind of hard to do this for a minute if you have like a jug of water and it's pouring out really quickly. That's why I recommend like pouring it over your body slowly. Oh Lord, like you're at a sex scene. Excuse me, y'all. Anyway, I recommend pouring it over slowly if you're going to use some type of jug. But I would recommend just doing this in the shower because it will probably be kind of hard trying to get a jug and, you know, try to pour water on your boobs. You know what I'm saying? That may not look so hot, you know. Well, it could look hot. I don't know, you know. Anyway, so get you some hot water in the shower, however you want to do it. Pour it over your breast, the smaller breast, for a whole entire minute, guys. So what that's doing is improving the blood flow in your body. Also, it's improving the collagen. So it's allowing your collagen to build up in your breast. Therefore, it's going to be a lot firmer. And like I said, the blood flow is going to also increase as well, which is going to promote growth. Okay, so again, pour the hot water over your breast for a whole minute. After that, switch over to cold water and pour that over for 30 seconds, guys. What you want to do is do this 3 times in one sitting, okay? And do this on a daily basis until you start to see a difference. Okay, so that's all you need. Hot and cold water. Pour the hot water over the breast for a whole minute. Pour the cold water over your breast for 30 seconds, 3 times daily, okay? That's it. So guys, the next 2 I have are just more so like a temporary fix, you know what I'm saying, that you need for the spur of the moment. If you have not had time to do the working out or the hot cold water or the massage, this is just a quick fix thing that you can do. So you can wear bra cups, just that simple. So you know you have all kind of bra cups that you can buy out of the store. If you have if your breast is much smaller on the right versus the left, just put the bra cup on the right hand side. Be sure you don't get it way bigger than the other side, but you can simply just do that, and that's going to give you the illusion of having equal sized breasts. So that's very simple. The last one is just simply wear a looser shirt. Just that simple. Of course, you know, if your breast is that asymmetrical, A tight shirt is gonna really show, like, look, hey, my breast is uneven. But if you get a loose shirt, like, who's really paying attention? Because you can't see nothing, you know what I'm saying? So it's just that simple, guys. Yeah, that simple. Okay, guys, so these were my 5 solutions to helping out with asymmetrical breast. I hope this helps someone, guys. And if you try it, just let me know. I would love to know if these truly work for people, you know. So definitely try these out. Let me know how it worked for you. At the end of the day, be sure, once again, you subscribe, you like the video, comment, let me know if there's anything else that I could do for you, any other questions that you might have, guys. Oh, by the way, also, excuse me, I'm a little hyper, guys, sorry. Also, follow me on Instagram. I'm at Fit Thick with Purple 6 on, or is it Fit Thick with Purple? Guys, I can get confused. I need to change that and make that shorter. I'm just going to put the link down below. But be sure you follow me on there, guys. I also have a Twitter as well, so I want you to follow me on there as well. And you'll be able to see more tips and more videos on weight loss and all that good stuff. I am going to start doing 30-day challenges, so I would love for you guys to follow me just so you can be a part of that challenge. The challenge that I have coming up is the 30-day butt challenge. So if you are looking to increase your booty, be sure you get in on this. What we're going to be doing every single day is different workouts and building our weight up. That way we could get a bigger booty. I can't show you my booty right now, but it is all good, guys. Hey, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really thank you guys so much for everything. I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening, morning, wherever you are. And again, let me know if this helped out anyone. Have a good one.
Too much? Jason loves this stuff. I mean, we busted this out on our second date. Yes.